I've always known that I wanted to do something in the culinary field, like a cupcake shop. I've always wanted one. I don't know, somewhere in Portland. My name is Paola Ibanez Rodriguez, and I attend the Baking Pastry Arts program here at Clark College. One of my favorite things about the program, it's different ages of groups, and I've gotten to meet some of the people, and they all have different backgrounds. It's a passion that you can follow at any age. It's not something you have to do at a certain time of your life. The fact that it was an actual culinary experience near to home too, I wouldn't have to travel far and I would be able to save money. I have everything that I would ever need here. I get jealous of it sometimes. I was like, I don't want to bake at home, I want to bake here. I was kind of intimidated at first. The chef instructors, they help you a lot and they understand that you're not going to know everything because they have years of experience and you don't. You want to learn, and that's why you're here. Clark helps a lot for my future and what I want to do.